Hello everyone, my name is Mackie and this is another episode of Answer Fix. In this episode, I'm gonna be changing the hood clip, fixing the interior airflow knob. I'm gonna be spraying the dressing belt. And lastly, I'm gonna be changing the sway bar links too. There you have it, changing clip, fixing the airflow knob, dressing the belt, changing the sway bar links. I hope you enjoy it and find this helpful. Thank you and have a nice day.